Golden sunlight spills across the lively jungle. When suddenly, boom, boom, a deep echo shakes the forest. Birds scatter into the sky, rabbits hide, and the jungle begins to panic. "What is that sound?" a deer whispers, trembling. An elephant stomps loudly to stop it, but the echoes grow even stronger. Just then, Bongo swings in, laughing, completely unaware. He lands, wah-choo, and starts his playful chest drum beat. Boom, 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 boom. The jungle goes wild. Echoes collide, twist, then slowly form a strange pattern. The sound leads to a hidden cave, filled with hollow logs amplifying every noise. The elephant gently blocks the cave, and silence returns. The jungle breathes again. Bongo giggles, gives one last drumbeat, and everyone smiles. Sometimes, noise hides the answer.